Good day everyone, I'm Jessamine Pahota, and this video, I will share to you the process of my gulayan sa aming bakuran. Gulayan sa aming bakuran are some of the most effective ways to enhance personal development, especially now that we're facing a pandemic. Essentially, using this gulayan sa aming bakuran as a complement to everyone may be a good strategy. Besides to introducing this for the cost of growing a plant, we also want to convince individuals the concept of healthy living. It also relies as a healthy skill experience for everyone to practice leadership and provide excellent service. For the week 1 planning stage of gulayan sa aming bakuran, the instruction tells us that we have to find an area, have any materials that can be used as a pot, and to decide what the 3 vegetables that I will be planting. I decide to plant the 3 vegetables, and these are tomato, ginger, and onion. I have my unused flower pot. I look for soil so I could start to planting. I place it outside of our house and put some water and wait for the next week if there is a development. For the week 2, there is an improvement. The tomato are slowly growing while the ginger and onion are not fully grown. They both still the same as the first I planted them. The week 3, the tomato are still in the process of growing and developing, while the ginger and onion still not showing any signs of growing, so I decided to restart planting them and put a water. For week 4, last week, the onion are not showing any sign of growing, but now, the onion are on the process of developing. The tomato are still on the process of growing, while the ginger, some tiny leaves sprout, and I wait for the next week if there is a development. The week 5, the tomato and the onion are still on the progress, while the ginger are still not showing any sign of growing, so I decided to add it to water and wait for the next week if there is an improvement. The week 6, as the days goes by, the tomato are still on the process of getting better and growing. The onion is already improving and it can be harvested, but I wait for next week if it still grows. While the ginger, some tiny leaves sprout and still on the process of growing. For the week 7, the tomato are still on growing. The onion has a development and again still on growing. While the ginger is on the process of improving. I put it to water and wait next week if have any development. For the week 8, the tomato are still on growing and improving. The onion as well still on growing. While the ginger is on progress because it has a growing sprout, and I wait next week if have an improvement. The week 9, the tomato are still on the process of growing. The ginger has already development and still on the progress, and it looks healthy. While the onion, since my father cooked lauwi, I harvested my planted onion leaves and that's what he used. For that, I'll wait this week if to have an improvement, whereas I harvested it. For the week 10, the tomato are still on growing and develop. The onion has already improvement and it has grown, while the ginger is still on progress, growing and looks healthy.
Additionally, one of the defined sustainable development that learners can access in education is planting, which can be adopted and implemented in their various communities. As more than just a matter of fact, it is essentially an overview of the society, and the manner of public is very often measured by what is reflected in the community, just like the form of planting. By doing this gulayan sa aming bakuran, it convinced me to plant vegetables which will bring me knowledge of healthy food and well-being. Another of the advantages of growing vegetable outside in your house is that the daily grocery budget would be less. Moreover, it is essential things we can do to stay healthy. So that's all. Thank you.